Hi, I'm Kelly Almeta, and today I'm going to show you how to make Parmesan-Crusted Tilapia with butter sauce and capers. The trick with today's dish is that when you coat your tilapia in the breadcrumb, you allow it to rest for about 10 minutes so it can kind of set up. So when you fry it, the coating stays on. This is a two-part recipe. The first part is actually breading the fish. What you'll do first is flour the fish. Then you'll mix an egg with some water, dip the fish in that egg mixture, and then you'll dip it in a bread mixture consisting of breadcrumb, pecorino cheese, and lots of Parmesan, and a sprinkle of parsley. Okay, so you want to make sure your oil's nice and hot. What I like to do is shake off the little excess so it doesn't splatter. About 3 to 4 minutes per side. The second part is making the sauce. So the first thing we're going to do is to add a little oil to the pan. Let it get nice and hot. We're going to add some sliced garlic to this and a little bit of chopped onion. So we're going to lightly saute it until you start to smell the aromas coming out. On this sauce here, we don't want to get the onion or the garlic brown. So once it starts to get ever so slightly brown, we're going to add a little bit of some white wine. And as I said, a little bit of the white balsamic vinegar. Some salt, a little bit of pepper, and finally, the capers. It's important that you rinse them out and go easy on the salt. And once the wine cooks out, you put in 2 pats of butter. And you'll swirl it in. Swirl the butter. Nice creamy consistency. But notice I shut the flame off. Otherwise, the butter breaks and you get an oily sauce. So as soon as I put the butter in, I swirled it. And that's it. So now what I want to do is I want to put it on a plate and drizzle that on top. This is a really fun recipe. And the best part about it is the little dynamics that you get between the two different cheeses, the pecorino as well as the Parmesan cheese.